The countdown is on for the announcement of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung's next full-size foldable. We are excited to see if Samsung is able to climb back to the top of the best foldable phones list now that its rivals are producing awesome folding phones of their own. The new Galaxy Z Fold 6 is tipped to feature a wider yet thinner design as well as a new Iron Flex display panel that should be more durable. You can also expect the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which should bring better performance and longer battery life, and all the same Galaxy AI features on the Galaxy S24 series, plus hopefully some new ones. Here is all the Galaxy Z Fold 6 rumors so far. A new generation of foldables means a new generation of processors, and it would be astonishing if that didn't mean the Galaxy Z Fold 6 adopting the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy as used on the S24 range. One source has claimed this will be the case, though as with the S24, there was some speculation Samsung might turn to Exynos 2400 chips in some regions. However, a report from the Elec says that Samsung's new foldables will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 exclusively. The Z Fold 5 currently has 12GB RAM and ships with either 256GB, 512GB or 1TB of internal storage. Given the S24 Ultra didn't advance on either of these, it's unlikely that the Z Fold 6 will either. But with the Samsung Galaxy S24 embracing AI and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 set to pack the same processor, it would be very surprising if the foldable didn't have the same tricks up its sleeve. That means the ability to translate phone calls on the fly, summarize documents, and edit pictures with ease, amongst the other things.